What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off auto delete YouTube search and watch history in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on more privacy settings, and then here scroll down and click on activity controls. Now from here choose the account in which you want to make changes, and after that scroll down and here in YouTube history section you will see a auto delete option, so tap on this option. And now if you want to turn on auto delete YouTube search and watch history, then select auto delete the activity and you can select time. So you can select auto delete activity older than 3 months, 18 months or 36 months. So just simply tap on option to choose. And if you want to turn off auto delete YouTube search and watch history, then select the second option of don't auto delete activity. So to turn on, select first option, and to turn off, select second option. And after selecting one of these two options, tap on next and then tap on got it. So that's how you can turn on or turn off auto delete YouTube search and watch history in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.